This one can be complicated, just because there's a lot of steps and it's not super clear. But the one thing to remember is you can reduce numerals if they are divisible, and you cannot combine through addition, subtraction, or division different variables. So what we're looking at here, and this one we're solving, we're not simplifying, we're actually going to solve it, but we're not going to find out what y and x are. So we're going to make this work. We're going to start by, whenever we have two fractions, we need a common denominator. 4y and 2x are so far apart, we've got to figure something out. So let's break down the 2's and the 4 just to make it easier. 2 goes into 2 one time, so that's basically just x. 2 goes into 2 again one time, and 2 goes into 4 two times. This just cleans it up a little bit. Not much you can do with this one. None of these numbers are divisible by another. Okay, now we need to get, again, a common denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation and we're going to multiply it by x over x. X over x. And what we get is x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. And 2y times x is now 2xy. Now we're going to come up to this one and we're going to multiply it by the y. This is how we get a common denominator. They have to look the same. So now 3x times y is 3xy minus 7 times y is 7y over 2x times y is 2xy. See, now your denominators are the same. When you look at this problem, you can't add these. You can't add either of these to these because the variables have to match. You could only add a number with an x squared to this one. You could only add a number with a plain x. You could only add or subtract a number with xy, and you could only add or subtract a number with y. So your answer to this one, you're just about done. Your answer is really x squared plus x minus 3xy minus 7y all over 2xy. That's it. A little bit crazy, isn't it?